So they've crossed. Now back to business, guys. We're gonna just yeah, we were helping them put a cover on a standpipe, a metal cover for a not sure what they called. I've worked here for a while and I still don't know what things are called. I think it's some kind of like water reader, whatever. So we did that real quick. They're gonna paint it, and then in a few hours I'll come back and help them put it back on. But right now we're gonna actually go. Anyone that's a tree hugger, you might not want to watch this video. We're gonna go pull out some trees real quick, and so yeah, so just come along and see what kind of trouble we get into. So one can only assume that this is what they want us to do, so this is what we're gonna do. By the way, it looks really beautiful. Look at that view. One can only assume it's gonna be these right here, guys. There's some on both sides, there's some over there, little twigs. It's not gonna be easy, but our job is to try to get them out. I think if we had the mini excavator with the mower attachment on it, would have been a lot easier, but this is what they sent me to do, and see what I could do. I'm probably gonna make a mess though, but give it a try. If you're not making a mess, you're not trying. I just made that shit up. Ha. Let's get to it. For a while. See what kind of mess I make, and then maybe you guys can leave it in the comments of how I could do this in a niftier way, you know. Oh, that's gonna be easy. So I guess I'm just gonna try to knock them free first without digging. See what I could grab without actually digging. Well, what seemed to be a mission that I couldn't finish or accomplish, I did one side. Look at that, all done. Not perfect, but it's done. Now, just to get off the backhoe, I'm gonna grab it by hand, put it all in the bank, and drag it out of here. So, wish me luck. So that's gonna be it, guys. That's the gist of it. I didn't want to bore you guys too much. Obviously, as you guys saw, I did this side, I finished all of that side. That side is all done, good to go. And so yeah, look, I left one right there. I'm learning to let go of certain things because it just doesn't it doesn't work out being very nitpicky. So yeah guys, those the backhoe couldn't reach, and you know, for the most part it's fine. Eventually we'll bring the the excavator or something that has a longer reach and get them out, or spray them, cut them, get the weed crew out here, you know. But yeah, that's gonna do it. All that, I mean, it's not perfect, as you can see. There's still a branch there and, you know, little things, but the point of this was just to get some time on the backhoe, and that's what I did. So for now, that's as good as I am, and hopefully I get better, you know. There's that beast right there. That's what did the job. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Short video, but you know, always cool to show you guys what we're about. So what I'm about, it's always cool to show you guys what I do on a daily basis. To some of y'all it might not be interesting, and it's cool, you know, but hey, just thought I'd share. Why not, you know? So this is gonna do it for today guys. Maybe you know, spark something up in one of y'all to start making videos as well, you know, who knows. But anyways guys, thanks for watching, man.